Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Myself Rashekar and I'm from India and you're watching techbunny. This video is helpful for many of the people who are using the Wi-Fi in their homes, and we'll talk more about the thing. It is like another handset for your Wi-Fi. We'll talk more about this thing in this video. So without making any further delay, let's jump into the video with channel intro. Alright, first this video is all covers the unboxing as well as how to set up this one, and after using it for some days I will share the review of this product. So let's jump to the unboxing. Here is the thing. The branding is called Qubo. So on the top they mention the Qubo Mini UPS Plus, and sides they mention again the branding. Here they given the power backup for 4 hours of time. So nice to see that 4 hours plus. It's actually depend and vary from Wi-Fi to Wi-Fi and the usage also. And it is having so many features which I will tell in a bit, or else you can also observe in the description box. Coming to the pricing on the box, they mention as 2,990 rupees. But it's not that much. So the packaging is good overall. I really loved the package, and we quickly break the seals and let's see what are the things we are getting inside the package. Also, I'm pretty curious to test this device because it's a made in India one, and many of the people are telling this one is having pretty good features when compared to remaining ones. So here we're having seals. We need to break the seals. If seal is broken, which means that you are getting a product which is used one. Actually works like a power bank for the Wi-Fi, and you cannot use this one for mobile charging. I know some great personalities are there, some great people will also think like that. And come to the warranty, this one comes with 6 months or 1 year, I don't know exactly. I will share here. You will get additional 3 months of warranty. So nice to see that. And we're having one booklet. So what are the contents we're having and how to start this one. So if you are newly starting this one, make sure you check these things, and also warranty card. Now here is our main thing. So it looks like a tiny power bank type one, and even you can easily carry it to anywhere you like. So yeah, and below this we're having another pouch, and below this I think nothing is there. So yeah, so here we're having, looks like this one is for hanging. This one you can easily hang here, so it's good to see. And we're having bunch of cables here guys, and I will show you different types of cables are there. This is one, this is one, and this is one. See, we're having 2 pins, DC out and DC in. DC out nothing but the power is going out from this one to Wi-Fi, and DC in nothing but the power will come to directly from your socket to this one. And we're having on and off switch. Here you can see a light is indicator here, green light. And I use this one, and I will quickly show how to set up this one to Wi-Fi. So let's jump into the video. Here you can observe this is the power supply which is coming all the way from the plug. If I turn on this one, the lights will blink here. Just a second, I'm turning on. Now I turned on this one, that's why here it is showing power and the light is blinking. So what I'm going to do now is, and also I will tell how this thing will works. Actually the wire which is coming to this Wi-Fi here is removed, and now I need to connect this to this UPS, Cube UPS, and we're having 2 things here which I mentioned earlier, DC out and DC in. In is nothing but the power supply going inside to this one. This is the in, and side we're having DC out, which is the power going out from this UPS. In the box we're having different cables, and this is the cable which will support for this particular Wi-Fi. It depends upon Wi-Fi to Wi-Fi also, you need to take care about that. I turn it off this one also, you can also see here it is in off position. So now I'm going to connect this to this one here. Here the Wi-Fi power pin is there, so I'm connecting this, that's all. So now what I'm going to do is, without turning on this switch, So main switch, I just turn on this UPS one so that it will power on. That is the thing, that is the use of this one. If you observe here, if I turn on here, the power symbol will glow. Let's see. See, the power is supplying from this power bank, from this UPS. You have to use this one by turning on as well as turning on the switch from the here also. See, the red light is nothing but it is charging now. If the power goes off, let's test whether here the pins are there. Just wait for the Wi-Fi. It will take some time. It supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Still takes some seconds of time to turn on. Now it is turned on 2.4 GHz first, and then it will turn on the 5 GHz also. So yeah, so now what I'm going to do now is just turn off this switch without touching any of these things. Okay, just turn off the switch. You can hear this sound also. See, it is continuously giving the power. It's not at all turning off. You can observe now, here it is showing the green light, which means that the power is supplying from this UPS to Wi-Fi. Whenever the power will come, actually I have turned off the switch. If the power goes off, it will glow like this. It will uses the power inside in this one, and it give the power to Wi-Fi, then the Wi-Fi will work. It won't turn off also. That is the main beauty of this one. So if power will come, I'm turning on the switch. See, the red light is blinking now, which means that power is taking this UPS and giving also alternatively. So if I turn off the switch, see, the Wi-Fi won't turning off. That is the beauty, and that is why I'm purchased this one. So this is how the setup typically looks like. Well, that's all about this mini UPS, guys. I hope this video would really make a sense for you, like how it looks like and how to set up this for your Wi-Fi. I'll use it for a couple of weeks. Actually, I'm having some exams going on right now. I will use it. I'm having some power issues also. That is why I purchased this product. And why not? I need to test this one also. So here I have forgotten to mention, here it is the Trust of Hero group also, this one. There are so many brands are linked with this one. So nice to see. So I will use this one for a couple of weeks and I will share the review in couple of days. Make sure that you subscribe to channel so that you don't gonna miss any update from this channel. As usual, my name is Rashikar and I am from India. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon to the side of it, and also I leave the links in Amazon and Flipkart in the description box also about this product also. If you are interested, go and check now, but wait for the review, full review. After then only you purchase. I will share some of the alternatives too in full review if it permits. Thanks guys, thanks for watching and take care.